Well, hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and I'm just going to talk about one thing on this 7300, how to change the speed from slow to fast and back to slow. Thanks for watching. So let's say you're wanting to go down the CW portion band, and you're right over here in the sideband portion of the band, and it just seems like it's a little slow to get there. You can always click here in this area, one of these three numbers, and then you can really lightning spat, and all of a sudden you're in the CW portion of the band. I mean, it's super fast. If you want to get back up, you can just go back around, and you see this arrow above the 5, which means it's super fast. If we want to go slow, say we want to tune in something a little bit finer, we can just start going down here, but you have to touch this area right in here. Again, if we want to go fast, we can just touch anywhere in these three numbers. The arrow will be over, let's say, the 3, if you can see the arrow on that. And then you can just go super fast all over that band if you want to. Again, if you want to go slow, just push the last two numbers and you got slow. That's it. Thanks for watching.